So good morning guys, welcome to the session. Today we all are going to do coordinate geometry as you can see. Okay, on my screen. So let's start with the coordinate geometry. First of all, I all welcome you to the session of the class 9 coordinate geometry and we move with this session. This is the session number 1. Session number 2 will come soon. So kindly wait for it. So coordinating system first we learn. If two-dimensional coordinate geometry, if in two-dimensional there is a first of all close your eyes and think there is a two-dimensional coordinate geometry. Dimensional coordinate geometry is there. We use only two types of coordinate system. What is the first is the Cartesian or rectangular coordinate system, or second is the polar coordinate system. First we understand what is the Cartesian coordinate system. In this system we used to represent any point by the pair xy, where x and y are called x and y coordinate of this point respectively, and in the polar coordinate system we use represent any point b ordered pair r comma 0, where r is called radius vector and a is called vectorial angle. What r is called? It is called radius vector. Very important, this thing come in fill up MCQ can come radius vector and vectorial angle. In coordinate system, certain coordinate system, we used to represent it by pair x comma y, where these two are called x and y coordinate of that point. Now coordinate system, we will learn Cartesian coordinate system, rectangular coordinate axis, quadrant, conversion and pointer axis. These four things come under Cartesian coordinate system. What is the rectangular coordinate axis? Rectangular coordinate axis, you can think you have made lines like this, one between 0, here comes negative, here comes positive. We will make just such two lines and one will be horizontal and this will be in this way, so that positive come upwards and the negative come downwards. So this will form this one and this will become the regular coordinate axis. Okay, you can see that this 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, 2, 3. Upwards, downward, right side, left side. And 0 we said O also, and this is the origin point. Okay, quadrant. See, this form a shape like this. This also, all form a shape like this. So this is the quadrant number 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are called quadrant. Convention of signs, very important, and point and axis. If I say point 3:4 on the axis, what is the point? 3:4 comma, sorry, 3:2, no, 3:2. So what you will do, just here is 3 and here is 2, you will point like that. So very important, this axis point. Now Cartesian coordinate of a point, length of a line segment. A line segment is there, let me draw a line segment. A line segment is there, you can see a line segment is there whose name is OM. Oh, what happened? OM. Okay, it is called the x coordinate, or you can call it abscissa. What you can call abscissa. The OM is the x coordinate. See, okay, no. See, this is x1, this is x. Sorry, this is y1, y2, x1, x2, means these two are x coordinate, these two are y coordinates, and the x coordinate are known as abscissa, we can say, or the similarly the y coordinate we used to say ordinate of point. Now plotting of point, draw two mutually perpendicular lines on the graph paper. One end is horizontal and one is vertical. Mark their intersection points O. Not means origin is the O, not P. Now choose a suitable scale on x-axis and y-axis and mark on both the axes. Obtain the point number 1 which is plotted. Let the points be A and B. Very simple it is. See, to plot this point, start from the origin and A move along OX. According A is positive in this and negative we can say. Suppose you arrive at point M. Which point M? From point M you move vertically upward or you can say downward where you want to. Through point B and units according as B is you can say positive or negative. Now the point you are going to arrive finally is the required point you need, that P is A is to B. This is the homework one. Very simple is there. See, the helper is also given there. This one, but you have to do it. Quadrants of the point. Draw a graph like this and mark the quadrants. Very simple. You have to plot the point in a coordinate because techno system and find all the coordinates that can be possible of the two vertices of a square which is having a P and Q as two adjacent vertices. Now distance between 2 points, find distance between A and B minus, distance between the comparing, find the value of the base of AB. That will solve all. These all the questions, don't think that you have taken score. This will come in the PDF download which will come after the link will come. You can download it from there, which will come after the class. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so that was all for this session. We will next clear. Bye bye.